Welcome to the Upland Nation, where we're staying positive and looking forward to fall and hunting season. Brought to you by the Ringneck Nation of Huron, South Dakota, one of my favorite places. Flick and I are getting ready for the fall. Are you? It's closer than you think. And this whole COVID thing will be a distant memory. We will be hunting. Now, finding publicly accessible ground is a challenge. Start looking near Huron, South Dakota. Last time I was there, I counted 45 spots within 15 miles and over 124,000 acres within 60 miles of Huron. From state to walk-in game production to public lands, you'll find somewhere to hunt for free. Want an entire area to yourself? Hunt a waterfowl production area for upland birds. There's plenty of dry ground. It's often adjacent to cropland, so there's food for the game birds. Hunt the edges so when you miss like me, the birds fly into the middle of the public area. Look for sharptails on the high grassy knolls and roosters skulking in the low spots. You'll probably be the only one wearing blaze orange. Need more motivation? Watch some of this footage from a recent visit we made to Huron, South Dakota.
Thanks for the head. Well, I do it out. You have livers of Labrador all the time. You were talking about how this unclipped off the leash when you have a handful of puppies at home. What's the feeling?
Oh, they can hardly wait to get away. They come.
Check out Huron, South Dakota at hunthuronsd.com. Sign up for the mailing list and you're entered to win a Dogtra T&B Dual 2-dog collar system or other great Dogtra products.
Most of the Labrador owners I ask say that the tail starts doing a circle. Like that.
To us.
So look downrange to fall and the wonderful dog work and camaraderie we'll have in the field. It might just help you through this COVID craziness we got to put up with today.